In this video, I'll show you how to connect Namecheap domain to System IO. So I'll walk you through everything that you need to do here, and we'll get it all set up in around 5 minutes. So what we're first going to do is to log into System IO, and then once you're on the dashboard, you then want to go to your profile icon at the top right hand corner and then go to settings. Once you're in the settings, just scroll down and you should see your custom domain. So click on that. So by default, your System IO username will be default URL here, but we can go ahead and add a domain in the top right hand corner. Now we need to enter in our domain name. So to get that, we would need to go to Namecheap. You can log into your account and then go to your profile, go to your dashboard, and then go to your domain list. And here you'll see all your domains. So I'm going to use this one here, online how to guide.click. So I'll just simply copy this domain and I'll paste it in here at the start and then click save. Okay, so now we can see the domain has successfully been created. Now we need to go ahead and configure our domain and get it linked to System IO. And here's how we do that. So go back to Namecheap and then find your domain. Click on the manage button and then that will take you into the manage backend here of your domain. Now just scroll down and make sure that the Namecheap basic DNS is enabled. If is, then that's great. Go to advanced DNS and then you can scroll down, and here you might want to have some records here already. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to delete all these records under host records. Now we can add a new record and we need to add here a CNAME. So here in CNAME record, now go back to your System IO. You can see we need to add a CNAME record. The next field that you need to do is to add www. So copy that and go to hostinger and paste it here. So www now, and the value you want to go back to System IO and you want to paste it all this here at the end. So copy this and then paste it and then click on save changes. Okay, so now that's added. Now we just need to add second one here. So we're going to add a head and copy from the start here all the way to the end of this. So where it says .online how to guide.click, everything before that we're going to copy. I then go to advanced DNS, add new record, and then add new CNAME, and I'll paste it now. We can go to target and you want to then paste in all of this here. So paste in all of this, then click on save changes, and now we should be good. Now we can go back to System IO and we can close out all of this, and this is going to be now pending. And now this can take up 24 to 48 hours for everything to be uploaded or updated, but I'll show you how you can check. Copy your domain name. You can go to dns.checker.org and you can check to see if you've done everything right. So paste in your domain, click search, and as long as these are green here, that means it's good. That means it should be working soon.